As light as air, with just a hint of richness. Nothing says French pastry like the macaron. The secret's in the way you whip them up. Hi, I'm Zoë François, and let's make macarons together. They're way easier than you think, and if you want the full recipe for free, just click the I up in the right-hand corner. Here's everything you need. First, prepare 3 baking pans with parchment. In a food processor, mix together the almond meal and powdered sugar. Combine the egg whites with a pinch of cream of tartar and whip until it's foamy. And then slowly add the sugar and continue whipping until you get soft peaks. If you want to add color, this is when you'll do it. I like to use gel color for the best results. Continue whipping until you get a stiff peak like this. Fold 1/3 of the almond mixture into the whites, and the next third, and then the last third. It's much easier to manage when you do it like this. So right now, the macaron batter will be way too thick to pipe. You'll need to continue folding until it starts to slump down the side of the bowl, and then it's ready to pipe. Using a pastry bag fitted with a large round tip, pipe out equal-sized mounds of batter. It is really helpful to have a template so they all end up the same size. This will help them bake evenly and look really pretty. But remember to remove your template before you bake. Once you have a tray piped out, bang it on the counter 7 or 8 times until the macarons are flat. Repeat this with all of the trays until the batter is used up. Let them sit at room temperature until they no longer look shiny and they've developed a bit of a skin on them. Bake 1 sheet at a time in the middle of a preheated oven for about 12 minutes. Check that each macaron has a foot like this, and if they're stable when touched, then they're done. Once the shells are cooled, fill them with ganache or buttercream. They're perfect right away, but they're equally as good a few days later if you wrap them and refrigerate them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the I in the top right corner of the video to get the free recipe I've been using or to learn more baking techniques.